Click subscribe now below. Today we'll be unboxing Barbie bathroom playset. Okay, so this set comes with some accessories, some furniture, as well as another Barbie. So let's take her out and see what we've got. First, we've got a bar of soap along with a soap dish, and that snaps onto the bathroom countertop. We've got a little pink whale toothbrush holder along with some toothpaste and a toothbrush, and that snaps on as well. The bathroom sink cabinet, we can put some extra towels under here as well as any cosmetics. And we've got a cute little sink, faucet, and mirror on top of that cabinet as well. Perfect addition to any bathroom. And here is our Barbie. She's dressed in a tropical floral towel. She has a cute little pink headband on, and she's got a hairbrush. She's ready to get ready for her day. Now the next thing we have is a little toilet for Barbie. It does have a cute little tissue box on the back as well. You can open this up, and there's even some little tissues that you can take out. Look at that, so cute. All right, put those back in. And we've also got a teal bath rug here, a little pink towel that we'll go ahead and put under the sink. We also have a hairdryer and a bottle of shampoo for Barbie. The hairdryer clicks right onto the countertop as well, and we'll store that one away. All right, close it up. Oh, just got to splash a little water on my face there. Look how beautiful I look today. Lovely, lovely. Looking great. All right, I have to go pee. This is such a lovely new toilet. Excuse me. What are you still doing here? I said I have to pee. Get out. Get out. Stop looking at me. Go, go, go. I gotta pee, quick.